Yes, we can. बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन वहाँ से और यहाँ से कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं, कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं, ऊपर से भी. Okay. Good evening. Hi everybody. I'm Rohit Khandelwal, Mr. World 2016, and I feel nostalgic being here at the moment because exactly 1 year back I was at the backstage. I didn't know I would be able to make it to be the winner of national pageant, and I end up winning the international one. So I hold a lot of memories with the organization, with this beautiful title, which I'm reigning for probably an hour from now. So it's a great moment, and it's very important that we take the legacy forward. And I'm sure one of the winner we decide tonight will make us proud once again and win the next Mr. World title of 2018.
Is it difficult competing at the international level, even if you win at the national level?
Well, I believe there's nothing difficult in life as far as you're very hardworking and if you're passionate about something. So I don't believe anything is difficult. It's a lot of preparation and planning which results in a good progress, and that's what I've been doing. Before the Mr. World pageant, I have completely lost in touch of a lot of things I was doing. My complete focus was on winning the title, Mr. World, and I had dreams of winning Mr. World. Every breath I had just Mr. World going in my mind. So maybe that's the reason I won the title. So a lot of hard work goes definitely, hard work and patience does result into victory.
What are the qualities, कौन सी मुख्य qualities होती है जो एक आज देखी जाएंगी यहाँ?
Well, Mr. India 2016, Peter England Mr. India 2016 की सबसे important quality होती है, the man should be a learner, because जिंदगी में कोई perfect नहीं होता, everybody have to learn something or other thing. So we're looking somebody who's open to learning, somebody who's very down to earth and humble, because being humble is very important. अगर आप humble हो तो ही आप positive होते हो, और अगर आप positive होते हो तो ही आप successful होते हो. So humble, a learner, and confidence. I think it's very important that no matter what you are, that's your personality, but you have to confidently portray it. So we're looking forward for confidence. That's overall package basically. So the competition was very tough this time with 16 contestants, but yes, we have come down to certain favorite contestants that we have, and hope the guy makes us proud once again.
As you give your crown to the next person, what is there for you to do in the future coming future?
Well, I have the main international title, that is Mr. World. So there's a lot in the right now pipeline which is going on. I'm going for mostly be a part of Miss World, which is happening next month in Washington, and I'm doing a lot of operations for that as well. And Bollywood has always been since my childhood my dream. तो बहुत जल्दी अगले साल मैं उसी की भी डेब्यू करूँगा, जो मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकता हूँ. और दैट इज़ द मेन फोकस राइट नाउ फॉर मी, बिकॉज एक्टिंग वाज समथिंग जो मैं बचपन से चाहता था कि मैं करूँ, और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि अगले साल मेरा सपना पूरा होगा. थैंक यू.
So come this side.
Well, I'm actually expecting a great show tonight because this year the Mr. India finalists are all very handsome, very talented. Two of them are from my city, Jaipur. So I really hope they perform well. I've actually had a few sessions with them, so we did a lot of sub-contests. I think we have a batch of great men, and Mr. India this year could also be Mr. World once again. Yes, I was a part of the jury. We had our pre-judging, and I judged them on various sub-contests, including Mr. Actor, Mr. Talented, and Mr. Popular. So I know them pretty well, so I'm expecting to have a great show and a lot of fun tonight.
अभी हमने रोहित से बात की थी अभी पिछले साल के विनर थे, वो कह रहे थे वो भी फिल्मों में आना चाहते हैं,
Yeah.
तो आप उनको कुछ गाइड करेंगे?
Guidance kya? I think Rohit is a very talented boy and he's already getting a lot of offers. He's very, very charming, very good looking, and I have so many friends. I mean, I get messages saying कि एक बार Rohit से मिला दो. So he's already very popular. and I wish him all the very best. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
From where? Yeah. Good evening. Expectations from tonight? A lot of hot, young-looking men, of course. Yeah. Okay. I was actually going through the paper yesterday, and there was one guy who was really standing out. He was sitting in the foreground of the picture. I'm not able to recall his name. I think, but let's see. They all look like really nice, and because I have mentored Mr. India before. I was on the panel before last year of Mr. India, where I trained Prateek Jain for Mr. World. So all I would like to say is, on Mr. World platform, is physically fit, can take the challenges on the ground, because it really puts you through a very, very tough task out there, Mr. World. Yeah? Alright, thanks a lot.
Video. So what? One. So are we just like kind of covering it, or are we supposed to be saying something, or what?